Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Maulana Moreno.
And me, Atharif Pratama Budiman.
And today in this video, we're gonna make
Tea and coffee.
tea and coffee. So yeah, I'm the one that's gonna be making the coffee, and Atta is gonna be one who's making the
Thai tea.
Thai tea. Yeah. So probably me first, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go up first. So this step by step on how to make a coffee with the ingredients and how many spoon of ingredients you need for a single cup of coffee. Okay, so probably the first ingredient that you need is coffee grounds. So using this one. Yeah, so you need at least a scoop of coffee ground, like okay, like this much. So it's like even with the shape of the spoon. So don't take it too much like this. That's too much. But take it just a little bit. Only one scoop. This you see this amount for the coffee grounds. After that, you need to add a creamer to make it more, I don't know, make it more good. At least 2 scoop or 2 spoon of creamer powder. That's one. And then another one. That's 2. And then the last ingredient that you need is some sugar. 1 spoon of sugar. Oh my god. It's fine. A little bit more. And then all you need to do is to add hot water. Oh yeah. Using a different spoon. And then stir it up. Make sure all of the ingredients mix well. And a moment. Yeah, it's okay. This is how you make coffee, and if you want to see, look the inside like this.
Oh yeah.
The taste. Okay.
Masih dalam.
Really good. It's really good. So just trust me. It's really good. So again, the ingredients you need is 1 spoon of coffee grounds, 2 spoon of creamer, and just 1 big spoon of sugar. That's how you get the perfect amount for making a cup of coffee.
Okay, so now it's my turn to make a Thai tea. In this Thai tea, I wanna make different with other Thai tea because I wanna try to use creamer. So experiment. So the ingredients is tea perenjak, and there is Frisian flag, sugar, and the cream cafe. Okay, we start from make a tea first.
No. Cream cafe.
Put the hot water and then wait for the tea is mixed with in the water.
Udah nggak sih? Udah nggak sih? Itu buat ini. Itu buat
Oh yeah. And for the next step, we will mix the Frisian flag into the water. Tea water. Tea. Okay. I don't like too sweet, so we'll. Okay. And we add the sugar. Okay. Hmm.
Mix dulu nggak sih?
Mix it first. What?
Stir.
Huh?
Stir.
Stir. Stir. I think it's too sweet.
Testing lagi testing.
After creamer. And let's try to use a bit of creamer.
Creamer tuh apa?
And for the last step, I will add the hot water again. The color is so broken. Okay, let's try it. Bismillah. Wait.
Enak sih.
The taste is very nice. Must try it. You can see. But the color is only like milk. There is no tea.
Just milk.
You must try.
Coba juga. Yeah, this is just milk lah.
Okay.
Need more tea, I think.
Huh?
Some hot water again.
Okay, enough. Okay, more.
Ya, udah. Okay, maybe that's it from us, me and Atta, on how to make a good
Experiment tea.
cup of coffee and an experiment tea. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.
And Assalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.